Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is solids. In our daily life, we come across many solids, many different types of solids, right? So today, let us uh, try to know what are the different types of solids we see. So solids are of two types. In that, one are polyhedra and other are non-polyhedra. Polyhedra and non-polyhedra. What are the solids which comes under polyhedra and what are the solids which comes under non-polyhedra? Polyhedra are the solids in which all the surfaces of the solids are polygonal surfaces. Polygonal means that surface can be a triangle or it can be rectangle or it can be square. Polygon. If all the surfaces are polygons, we call it as a polyhedra. If all the surfaces are curved, then we call it as a non-polyhedra. For example, we have a cube. If you see cube, all the surfaces of the cube will be squares. So they are polygons. So that comes under polyhedra. Triangular prism. Their base will be triangle. Lateral surfaces will be rectangles. So there also all surfaces are polygons. That also comes under polyhedra. So what are the non-polyhedra? Non-polyhedra are the solids in which surfaces are curved surfaces. For example, cone or cylinder, sphere. That type of solids we call them as non-polyhedra. So we discussed about polyhedra and non-polyhedra. Again, solids are also classified into another two types. They are prisms and pyramids. What are prisms? What are pyramids? Prisms are the solids in which top and bottom both are congruent surfaces. Congruent means what? Which are having same shape and same size. So in all the prisms, top and bottom will have same shape and same size. So that type of solids will be called as prisms. For example, just now I said triangular prism. In triangular prism, top and bottom will be both will be congruent triangles. So that is a congruent. That is what a prism, because in which top and bottom are congruent triangles. Similarly, cube we have, cuboid we have. Those all comes under prisms. Now come to pyramids. Pyramids are the solids in which top is a common vertex and the bottom is any surface. Bottom will be any surface, but top will be what? Common vertex. So that is the main difference between prisms and pyramids. Prisms are the solids in which top and bottom both are congruent surfaces, whereas pyramids are the solids in which top is a common vertex. For example, triangular pyramid, square pyramid. Okay, even cone. If you observe cone, top of the cone is what? It is a vertex, whereas bottom has a circle. That is what? Pyramid. Yeah, till now we discussed about different types of solids, polyhedra and non-polyhedra, even prism and pyramid. Now let us see some examples for polyhedra and non-polyhedra, even prisms and pyramids. When you see that, you try to decide which type of solid it is. Okay. Now let us see about this. This is what a solid in which all the surfaces, if you observe, all the surfaces are polygons. So what we can call it? It is a polyhedra. So it is a solid which comes under polyhedra, right? Similarly, one more I will show. See this one. This one also we have all the polygons. Base is a polygon. Even lateral surfaces are the polygons. Top is also polygon. So this also comes under polyhedra. Now similarly, suppose if you see this one, this is what here also we have all the surfaces polygons. All the surfaces for the solid are polygons. So what we can call, this is also polyhedra. So these are some examples of polyhedra. Similarly, we can also see some non-polyhedra which are having curved surfaces. See this solid, what is the surface of this solid? If you see, top and bottom are flat. Even though they are flat, they are not polygons. Okay, and even this lateral surface area is also curved. So here surfaces are curved. So what we call it? Non-polyhedra. This is a non-polyhedra. because all the surfaces are curved. Similarly, this one, if you see here also, all the surfaces are curved surface we have. Okay, this is also non-polyhedra. Similarly, sphere, see everywhere it is curved, so we can call this also a non-polyhedra. So we have seen different type of solids which comes under polyhedra and which comes under non-polyhedra. Even I said about prisms and pyramids, right? So now let us decide which are called prisms and which are pyramids. If you see this one, this is the bottom is a square, and similarly top is also a square, and both are congruent, so we can call it as a prism because top and bottom both are congruent surfaces. So this is a prism. See this one, even though it is a non-polyhedra, but top and bottom are having both congruent surfaces, so this also comes under prism. Similarly, this is also a prism because top and bottom, this is bottom, this is top, both are having congruent surfaces, so we can call it as a prism. Now when you see this one, it is different. See what is the top? It is a vertex, okay, common vertex, whereas bottom is a surface, so this comes under pyramid. Okay, even though it is a non-polyhedra, it is a pyramid. Now before we have seen non-polyhedra, which is prism. Now this is pyramid. Okay, even polyhedra and non-polyhedra also we can have different prisms and some non-prism. That is, they are pyramids. And this one, if you see, it is a common vertex, whereas this is the bottom, which is square. So this also comes under pyramid. So here all the prisms and pyramids are named based on their bottoms, based on their base. Based on the base of the solid, we give name to the prism or pyramid. For example, we have seen just now different type of prisms. Here this is a prism in which bottom is a circle, so what we call it, circular prism. Since the base is a circle, we call it as a circular prism. Now see this one, if you see, base is a hexagon, 6 sides it is having. This polygon is having 6 sides, so we call it as a hexagon. So the name of this prism will be hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism. Similarly, if you see this one, here also bottom and top both are same, so it is a prism. Since the bottom is triangle, we call it as a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Similarly, even pyramids also given names based on their bases. Suppose if you see, hexagon is there, but it is a pyramid. Since hexagon is the base, we call it as a hexagonal pyramid. Hexagonal pyramid. Next, this one, 5 sides. 5 sides. Base is having 5 sides, and it is a pyramid. We call it as a pentagonal pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid. Next, this one, circular pyramid, because base is a circle and it is a common vertex, we call it as a circular pyramid. Now this one is what? Base is triangle, top is a vertex, so we call it as a triangular pyramid. This is a triangular pyramid. Okay, so based on their base, based on the base of the solid, we give name to the prism or pyramid. Yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to know more interesting concepts. Thank you.